How to create a course using System.io. Hey guys, my name is Isfan Rashid and welcome to this video. And if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I've just started using System.io and I'm making some tutorial videos using this. But in this video, I'm going to get straight down to it and I'm not going to make a little video. I tried to make this video, within 20 minutes, 25 minutes, but it went well over half an hour. Reason for that is because there's a lot to cover in this actual course which I've created right now, which I'm giving you for free on YouTube. Basically, I'm going to create a course. I'm going to show you everything, how to add the videos, how to add buttons, and how to get everything sorted within this platform, System.io. It is a free platform. If you're not using it, I recommend you get on it straight away. As you can see, I'm on the kind of sales page here. You get lifetime access and it's for free. I've got the paid version because you get a lot more within the paid version. As you can see here, with the free version, you get 3 funnels, 2,000 contacts, and that's another thing. It is an email responder series as well. You can create emails with this and use it as an autoresponder. And you can create blogs. There's a lot of stuff you can do here. Just check this out. You get 3 funnels, unlimited email sending, 0 transaction fees, all within the free system. Okay. Now I wanted to create more funnels, so I paid for it. I paid annually for it. I can't remember how much it was, but there's a discount if you do it annually instead of paying monthly for it. So check this out. The links will be down below. And another thing I want to talk about is I've got an ebook which will explain more about it if you're interested in that ebook. And the ebook will look something like this. Now I like this ebook because it's one of those flip books. Okay, I've got this kind of flip book software which creates ebooks for you. And if you want to learn more about System.io, there'll be no opt-in required. Okay, there'll be a direct link to this ebook straight to your inbox. There's no opt-in required or anything. Just click on these arrows there you can see in the corner. And yeah, did you see that, the way it flipped over and the way the kind of sound it makes? That's why I like these ebooks here. So just go through this. It'll tell you what it's all about. System.io. It's got email marketing there, promoting it as an affiliate, webinars, sell System.io templates. There's a lot of stuff you can do with System.io. There's more to it. I don't really want to speak all about it because I'll be here all day. Like I said, this video is going to be a long video. And in this video, a quick summary. I'm going to create a course which looks similar to, let me find the right page. Yeah, I'm going to create a course similar to this. You get menus along here, lectures along there. I'm going to show you how to get all this set up, and it'll teach you exactly what needs to be done. Okay, I think I've covered everything here. Yeah, I'll shut up now. Just watch this video and I'll speak to you soon. Okay guys, this is it. Now let's not waste any more time. I'm going to teach you how to create a course which looks similar to this. Okay, this is the kind of layout which I prefer. I like this kind of layout. By that I mean the menus here be along here, the menus and the lectures and the modules and everything be along here. So you simply click on these, move on to the next video. It'll be simple, nice and easy. There's a big video there. You can add text there, and you can even allow, if you want feedback, you can leave this here. All this can be editable. You can remove this, but I prefer to have a feedback box here, or anyone can write a comment there just to let me know where I am, how I can improve things and what have you. So I've chosen an orange layout here. You can choose any layout you want. As you can see, once you finish it, you can click on here, next video pop up, or if you prefer like me, you can just click on these here and another module will pop up there, another lecture. Okay, add text, and if you add these buttons here, I'll teach you how to create all these buttons. These buttons will be related to the videos here. So if this is talking about Canva and ChatGPT, and these aren't even affiliate links. These, I don't know if they're providing affiliate links anymore, but if you click on there, it'll just make it convenience for the actual viewer just to click on there and go into Canva. Okay, it's just that simple. And if you're interested in getting this course, by the way, the links will be down below at the bottom of this video. All the links will be there. There'll be links to some free stuff. This one's a paid product of mine. Feel free to check it out, but I've got some free stuff there as well, which you can download at any moment. So let's just get straight to it. I'll teach you how to create this something similar to this. Now, once you're onto System.io, you'll come to a page which looks similar to this. You'll have these menus on the top. This is the paid version which I'm using. Yours will look similar to this, but in order to create a course, let's just get straight into it. What you want to do, come over here where it says products, go to your courses, where it says courses there, click on there. These will be the courses which you've created. If you've never created one before, you won't see anything here. But it's simple. All you have to do is come over here where it says add new course. So if I just click on there, and the first thing you want to do is give your course a title. Okay, it can be anything. So if it's I don't know, if it's something to do with traffic or email marketing, you just do beginner's guide to email marketing. Or if it's about YouTube, beginners, how to use YouTube. how to optimize your channel. Basically, give your course a title. Okay, so I'm just going to call this test for now, test 1. Instructor's name, always put your own name there. You know, there's nothing to hide here, just put your own name there. Language is obviously English. Description, you know, if you go over here where it says hover, you press on that, it takes you a bit on the library list, blah blah blah. So basically just add something there. Okay, this, I don't know, is a video course all about email marketing. Okay, now you can write anything there, it doesn't really matter, you can fill this up and do whatever you want. If it's about YouTube, if it's about, I don't know, cooking or knitting or anything, you can just add that into here. It's about cooking, I'll teach you how to you know, easy recipes to choose, blah blah blah. And this is the course domain, and you can use any domain. You can use System.io domain or just put your name on it. I've got isfanrashid.com, but I'll just use this System.io for now. If you don't have a .com, I'll make separate videos. You have to understand, I'm just going to make this quick long video how to create a course. I just get straight into it. But in order to add your domain, I'll do a different video on that. So this is just basically a very basic course, how to add a course onto System.io. Default theme, this is basically what it'll look like. I showed you the other course which I created where I had an orange theme. So you can choose any color here which you want. So for this, we can leave it as default, but I'll tell you what, we'll change the color to this. Let's see, what should we go for? Green. I'll show you what that green looks like. Font, you can do whatever font you want. You know, I just use it as that, just leave it simple. You can upload your image, simply just click on there. There'll be an image on your one of these here. I go to download, I can pick any image which I want. I'm not going to look for any image anyway right now, so I'll just cancel that, but you can do that, add your image. So whenever there's a course on, your image will be there. You can add your logo there. Again, there'll be image on your file if you have a logo. If you don't, you know, then you don't have to. There's a course cover, so if you want to see the kind of image which you can put on your course cover, the ratio is there, 16.9. Okay, so it tells you there, so you can go to Canva, you put 16.9 and create your cover course there. And that's basically it, that's all that's done, and then you click on save. Okay, that shouldn't be blank. So basically here, I would put, in case something doesn't go right, it'll come up in red there. So here you just put what the actual course will be. Basically, I would put the course name. So here we'll just put test 1. Okay, that will be the link. Oh, let me see. I don't think there should be any spaces there. Okay, let me see what it says here. Yeah, 2 UL based on the course prospect address. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, I've just figured it out. Basically, no capitals there either, okay? So just put no capitals there. I'll put that to 1. Then you click on save. All changing, it's all been saved now. And that's it. So then if you go over to courses again, it should be there. There you go, test 1, that's the course. It's not active yet. In order to activate it, I just come over here which says activate, but we're not going to do that yet. So what we're going to do is click on the actual course. Here it says add module, okay? So basically you could give this module a name. Now, some people just call it, I don't know, module 1. I would rather not do that. I'd rather give it the actual name. So basically name of the course or what have you. But you can do this. Basically what that module is going to be about, I'll name it that. But for this purpose, we'll just call it module 1. Save. And then you click on this module 1 and it says add a lecture there. This is going to be the actual courses, okay? So I'll show you of the previous one which I've created. Let me just find it, this one here. So that was the module there, free traffic bonanza, which I called it. And here, these are the lectures here popping up here. So the first one, welcome, and blah blah blah. Okay, so let's just get into that. I'll show you. So click on here, add a lecture, name this lecture. So we'll just call this introduction. That's that there. Delay. I've never delayed this. They'll get this instantly. So once they got the course, they'll get this instantly. Let's just pick a template. Okay. Feel free to choose any one of these. It gets a bit confusing really, but basically just pick one. Let's just select this one. So selected that. Then click on save. And then what you want to do is edit it. So let's have a look, see what it looks like. Yeah, this is it. This is basically what you want really. What would I want? If I'm doing a video course, this is how I want it. I want the actual text there, basically explaining what it is. So there, I will become a millionaire. I would edit that simply. Was it introduction? Was it introduction? Yeah, I'll just call this introduction. So basically, I just clicked on it and typed that in. Obviously, I can underline this. I'd want to center it. You can. It's basically really easy. That's the good thing about System.io. It's so easily done. You can just figure. I can increase the size here if I wanted to. There, we call that 40. There's a line height there. I've never messed with that really, but basically that's, yeah, you can move it up and down like that. I can change the font type if I wanted to. Letter spacing. You see, it'll be something like that. It's up to you if you want to play. Basically, just play around with this kind of stuff. And there's a center. I always center the actual title. There's margins there. Again, play around with these however you wish. You know, there's padding. Again, just make it look nice however you want to do it. And there's a ton of other stuff. You can have background color if you wanted to. Let's just, you see, obviously I don't want any background color like that. But you can add these things and basically play around with this however you want it. And this is the main. Let's just click there, and then we can move this up and down again. This is the main section here. That'll be a video. But before we get to the video, there's a lot of stuff here which just needs deleting. Okay, you don't need a lot of this stuff, and you just delete it. Okay, and it says, do you want to delete this? Yes. Okay. Again, let's delete this. Try and delete it in chunks. Okay, let me see if I can get a full bin there. Okay, I'll get rid of all of it. Okay, so it's just that simple. So let's just carry on doing this. Delete that. Okay, we don't want that. Delete. Let's see if I can get the whole, the whole lot. That should delete the whole section there. That's it, simple. Now we leave a bit of text here because we might want to write something, which we will want to, so something there we'll write down. But let's get to the video. Now if I click on the video, it's there. There's an image file there, and basically select the link, open URL. Okay, let me just have a look. Okay, yeah, I made choosing this template, I made a slight mistake because this is not actually a video. I've just realized this is an image. You see, so I'm there trying to find the video, but it says image file, so no big deal. We can just come over here and we can delete this. Okay, so let's delete that. And here is a row, so here we want to add a video. So basically, come over here, it says video. We place that into there, boom, and that's the video there. So now if I click on that, now we come to the video type. So now here we can direct link it, custom embed, upload a file, so you can get a file from your computer. You don't need to go into YouTube or anything. A direct link would be any YouTube video. You just get the link to the YouTube video and put it on there. You can also do a custom embed. Okay. So now I've just joined a platform called bunny.net, something like this. So I put my videos onto here. It's a lot more secure. You know, people will find it a lot harder to copy this. So you can use that, but basically you can use any YouTube video that you have. So I'm just going to get a link here, so the embed link will be that one, so I'll just copy that one there. This is the welcome introduction video, and then I'll just go back over here. So I've got it on custom embed, and here it says edit code, so I'll just click on there, and can just paste that code into there. Like so. I think if I've done that right, I'll save it, and this popped up there. That's the actual video, okay? So like I said, you can use a YouTube video or any video you want. So then it's not moving up and down, so I just click outside and now I can get to here again. Now this is the text. We want to edit this text, make it look like something like this. So I can just copy and paste that. I'll just copy and paste that. Actually, it'll save a lot of time whilst I'm showing you. And I'll just paste that into there. You don't need to do a lot of text or anything. You know, just let's see, how do I center this? There you go, center it. We can increase the font size. Where is it gone? That's the font size there. You can change these numbers. So if I wanted to, I don't know, put 30. There you go. It's almost double it there. And now if I wanted to preview this, let's have a look, see what it looks like. Click on this where it says I button. And there you go, that's what it looks like. See the green format there? We chose green before. So that's why there's a green sign there. And it'll all be in green. And this is in preview mode, so if I just take that out. It looks similar to that. And again, make this look better. Now there's a big space here. We've got to close that gap there. So let's just get back over and try and close this gap. Okay, because we chose this template, It's very hard to close this gap. I've tried to close it, but it's not really allowing me to close it. I don't know if it's a border radius or what that I'm going to play with, but bottom line, that's what it'll look like. So if you view it, it's going to look like that. But if I chose the correct template, the video template, instead of the image template, maybe that would have been better. Maybe it would have been more suited to this one here, which I've created. Okay, so basically that's what it's going to look like. Let's have a look where we're going. Yeah, that's the one there. So that's what it looked like. So people come here, mark as complete, and that'll be that sorted. So that's that created. Then all you do is come over to and press save changes. So that'll be saved. Okay, then you exit it here by clicking this button there on the corner. That'll be the one. Now here you can add another lecture. So we'll choose what template did we choose? That one before, didn't we? So which is the video one? I think we'll choose this one now. Select that template. Boom. And it's not worked. Okay, give me a second. Oh, here, the name, sorry. Yeah, that's the thing, you got to play around like this, I said. So basically choose the template, but don't forget to choose the name to this. So this will put I'd rather choose what it's about. So what is this going to be about? Let me get to the right. Change the background. Basically whatever it's about here, change the background, troubleshooting, mass image production. Okay, I've changed my mind. So for this name, we're just going to call this lecture 2, okay? Because you're going to have a different name for what have you. And yeah, instead of calling it the title thing, I'm just going to call it lecture 2. Delay, we're not going to delay anything. That's in case you want to drip feed content or what have you. And don't forget to click on this where it says enable comments. I forgot to show you that in the first video. See, that's where the comments will come on. And don't forget this one, if you're doing a video course, choose this video. That way there won't be a gigantic gap between, you know, before I chose this one, that's an image one, and this is the one we need to choose. So let's click on save. That's that done. We can drip content here as well, you know, and but obviously you don't need to know that. It's all access immediately. That's what we want. Let's just start this, and there you go. That's the video there. Okay, that's the video. That's the title. Yeah, it's the same as before. Just instead of an image, we got a video. Now this, I want this to be on top always as the title. It's an easy way of doing it. We're on the text button, but if you go over here where it says rows, click on that blue arrow pointing up, and that's it. If moved to top of there, and edit it the same way as before. Okay, so we'll just call that lecture 2. Increase the font size, underline it. We're going to highlight it and then we underline it that way. That bold, yeah, bold it, and center it. Simple as that. We'll add a color onto this as well. Background color. What should we call it? We call it yellow. There you go. That'll do. So that's that. To add the video, we'll add a YouTube video this time. So it's a direct link. Don't forget we did embed before. We can upload it from computer, but we're going to direct link to a YouTube video. So we'll delete that. We'll find a YouTube video. This is one of my videos here. I'll just get the link from it there. Come over here. Once I paste that into here, there you go. The video's popped up straight away. That's how easy it is. And don't forget, we'll have to delete all this. So we'll just delete that. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. Delete this again. Try and find an easy, fast way to delete it where you just get the entire content box there. And it wipes the whole lot out. I'll try and do the same here. Yeah, there. Delete. Boom. It's all gone. I'll just delete everything here. We'll delete this text as well for this one. We'll leave the content box there. We'll delete the text. And don't forget, we're going to add a button here like I did in the in my other one. So basically, you see all these here? That's why it's so easy using System.io. We just find something here. We find the button there. So I'm just going to click on that button, drag it, put it in the center there, and boom, that's the button there. And then we just edit this button. Now to click this, it'll go wherever you want it to go to. So you just click on there where it says open URL, and then add a URL there. Okay, so I'll put in a URL to my YouTube video again. Now obviously that'll be to whatever you want it to go to. Open in the same window. No, we want to open it in a separate window, so I always place it that way. Don't want it in the middle. Tell you what, we'll keep it to the side there. We can have it full width, which will look like so, which also looks alright, but we'll just keep it fluid just to show you. Again, play around with this. So it says top margin, you can go there and however you want to do it, and the bottom, whatever that's going to look like. Okay, it says click here, we enter something else. So in one of my wrong page again, it's like Canva or ChatGPT, so whatever we want it to go to. Okay, I'll just put Canva there. Now obviously you can put whatever you want in there. You can increase the font size. That'll increase the button if you increase the font size there also. There we go. Got the subtext font size. That's this bottom section there. Okay. Now I don't really like that, so I'll delete that. Okay, let me see what else we can do. Icon colors. Okay, you can put a kind of icon there. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if there's some sort of arrow or something, you can choose that. Tell you what, I'll just type down arrow here, see what will pop up. Where's it gone? Okay, you don't have to do capitals for there. You got arrows all popped up, all these ones. We want an arrow pointing that way, so we'll choose this one. There you go, and arrows popped up there. Background color, I don't like blue. Let's choose red so it stands out. There you go. Text color, I can change the text color. So you see it's white there, so if I wanted it black, I can have it black. There's a subtext there. I want to show you how to take that away. Okay, let's get back to where it said subtext font. Yeah, there you go. It says subtext there. The way to get rid of that is simply just delete that section there. Boom, there you go. That button looks a lot better already. Now you can add borders to this. I think it's got a border at the bottom, but we want it bordered everywhere. Actually, you can round the corners. I always want these corners rounded. So it says rounded corners there. Just move this along. As you can see, it individually moves each corner. As you can see, that corner is displayed. So if I put that to 20, like so, it's rounded it there. Okay, now you do the same with all the corners if you want it rounded. So I'm just gonna 20, 20, and as you can see, these corners have all been rounded. This is gonna get rounded now. I'm just gonna put 20 there, boom, and that's rounded also. And you can see there's a black border there. Now I want that border to be a full border. There you go. I think, is this it? Yeah, see it where it says border, solid. You can have it dashed. You see, as you can see, there's a dash there. I've never liked them dashed or dotted. I just keep it solid. But where it says bottom only, we want it. You see, you can do top only, top and bottom. We want a full border. So it's all gonna go black now. See, and that's all gone black. I'll show you better. I'll just move this to 5, and you should be able to see a lot better there. So what else needs to be done? I think that's basically it. I think there's a hover effect. Yeah, hover effect. It's text hover. Basically, you want the background to change color when someone goes over onto it, so we'll make it go yellow. Okay. Now we can change the text color as well. Okay, tell you what, we'll change the text color. I just want to show you. We'll make it red. When someone's going to hover over that, it's going to go red. I'll show you what that's going to look like. Yeah, like so. Okay, so when someone comes to this page, you want to click on there. They'll know they're on the button because it's gone yellow. It's gone red there. Simple. Okay, let's see what. Okay, where's it gone? Let's just click on there. Is that bolded? I'm not sure. I think that's how it is anyway. That's how it shows it. We can change the yeah, we can change the fonts and everything anyway. I want that standing out a bit. But basically that's simply it. And I think everything, you've added a link there, which should go to my YouTube video. I think I've shown you everything that needs to be shown. If you want to make another button, to save time doing a button everywhere, just click on there where it says duplicate, and you've got another button there. Okay, now you can edit this button, whatever. So instead of going to that YouTube, you can send it elsewhere, okay? We'll just put Google there. Okay, so now that will go to google.com. We can change the colors of that. Obviously, when it's different, I'll show you the one which I've got. See, I've got that one in red, I've got that one in orange. So it's best to always change the color to the second one, so you know there's two separate buttons there. So that's the color there. We'll make it. Okay, we'll make that one yellow. And is the hover effect? We'll make the hover effect red. Okay, let's see what it'll look like. There you go. Okay, I've done it wrong. The hover effect's gone orange, and the red writing does not show up as well, so we obviously edit the writing there, the hover effect again. Let's go back. Text color, we'll make it go, what was that, gonna go to orange, we'll make it black. No, that's the wrong section. We need to go to the hover section. Hover effect, that's the one. Yeah, that's it. So the background color will go to orange. We'll make the text color go black. So now if I come over here, there you go, it's gone orange and it's gone black there. That'll go yellow here. You get the idea, okay? That's simple, how easy you add this stuff. If you want to preview it, click on there. This is what it's going to look like. This is in preview mode, so I'll just remove that. Now you can make everything here look a lot better than what I'm showing you, but you get the idea. Now if I click on that, I'll go to my YouTube video, which is that one. If I click on here, you should go to Google, which it has there. That's what we typed in. Markers complete, boom, we've completed that course. So I think we've done that. Let's go back to the, oh yeah, don't forget to save it. So this page will be saved. Yeah, you can save it now. You can save it here as well. Just click on the yes and that'll save it. But normally there'll be a save button. You want to click on there. Now here, what I showed you before, you add a lecture. You don't have to keep adding lectures. This is a time saver. Okay, I was doing it the long way around all the time. But in order to get everything same exactly the way I wanted to do it, I just come over here where it says duplicate. I can just duplicate it there. Are you sure you want to duplicate this copy of the lecture? Yes, confirm. And that's it there. And all I have to do, I want to change the name because it's the same name as that one. So I'll come over here, settings, and just change it. So, well, before that was lecture 2, this one we'll call it lecture 3. You can leave that as it is. Enable comments. I think I forgot to show you what enable comments look like. Let's see if I can find it. There'll be a comment section there which is not showing on here, but once it's done I'll show you later. And that's it. So now I just edit this, click on it, this will pop up. Obviously it's a lecture 3, so I just put 3 there. I'll change this video to something else. I'll just delete this, but once you've got your course created on videos, whether it's an embed code or a YouTube video, you'll do it this way. So I'll just delete that, so this will be a blank screen now. I can remove these, whatever. I can add more text here. You know, the way to add text is just get a content box. This is the way I do it. I'll place a content box in there, click on there. I don't want this title there, so I'll put visibility off. It's gone there. And then I get text. Place text in the center of that content box, and there you go. That's that sorted. Increase the font size. Obviously right wherever you want. If you don't want it centered, you can move it to the, like so. And basically play around with it. Whatever you want to do, you can do with it there. Okay, I hope it makes sense. You can also add a color there if you want like a background color. Let's see. Okay, we want it a bit lighter than that. So if you want something like so, you can do that. So it stands out a lot better. I'm pretty sure you can add a kind of a box around this. You know, kind of a layout, a line. Okay, maybe you can do, but you got to play around with it as well. Okay, let's see what that looks like. By the way, yeah, it look like that. It'll stand out. There's 2 buttons there, and that's your text there. Okay, I think we've almost sorted. I think we've almost done. You can view it. Let's save the changes. That's the blue button there. That'll save changes. I hope I haven't missed anything out. Let's go back to what it is. Okay. And let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate it quickly. I'll just quickly show you. If you want to add another one, come over here. Say duplicate. Boom. Sure you want to duplicate? Yes. Do it again. Duplicate. You sure want to duplicate? Yes. Now I've got about 5 lectures there. 4 or 5 lectures. And don't forget to edit these as you want. You just come over, click on it, change the video, change the links, change the text. You know, whatever you want to do. Come over here, change the actual settings here, so what it's called. So here we'll call it lecture 4. And save, and you get the idea. So I'll leave this as it is. Now I want to show you what it looks like. So where it says view, and nothing's popped up. It says no lectures yet. So let's sort this out. And the way to view it, see these check marks here, they're all grey. You want to make them green. So let's go over here and basically you just activate it. Come over here, 3 dots, activate it, yes, boom. This one, activate it, yes. And now if I view it, there should be 2 lectures there. There you go. And now they popped up. That's the first lecture and that's the second lecture. And this is the comments, okay, which we put on. This shows up now. Whereas before it weren't activated, it wasn't showing. See this one, I forgot to put the comments on. It wasn't showing. There's this huge gap because we used the actual different theme. I couldn't fix it. This was originally where the image was. But on lecture 2, it's a lot easier. Okay, it's all closed, the gap's closed, and there are comments there. So you can add a comment, whatever someone wants to add on to it. Okay, send it, it'll send to whatever you've done it. Okay, let's complete this. So we just come over here, activate, yes, activate, yes, activate, yes. Now let's view it, and there you go. It's looking a lot better. This is how you want your course. People want the next lecture, watch this video, next lecture, watch this video. It's all sorted. And I forgot to add the images. Yeah, I forgot to you know, I never added a YouTube video. Remember, I just left it blank. I just took it blank. That's why in these lectures the video is not there. But normally when you add the video, you put your YouTube link or your embed code, excuse me, or directly from your computer. Starting to lose my voice here. I've been talking a lot, and I think that's it. That's it completed. I don't know what else that needs to be done now. Okay, that is basically it. That is how you add. Yeah, this is the settings part. That is basically it. I've added everything here together. Now there are other things such as sales pages. Where are they gone? Let me just delete these. Yeah, there's sales pages like this which are going to connect everything together. So when someone gets onto the sales page, it's order form, purchases it, they go directly to the actual product. System.io does it all by itself. It directs someone to they'll email them with the links to create an account and get the product. Okay, so it's all sorted. Now in this video, as you can see, I'm losing my voice. I'm struggling to talk. I'm not going to show you how to create a sales page like this. But if you want to see this sales page, the links will be down below, and we can have a look at it. I will create a video, a separate video on how to do this. And if you want to purchase this, I'll leave a coupon code there as well. I think it's if you want to purchase it, just FTB apply, and yeah, you'll get $2 knocked off, and you can have this for a $5. Basically, it's a traffic course, and we'll teach you how to create images and use social media. And you know, once you purchase that one, you'll come over to this page, which is a thank you page. I'll show you how to create this as well. This is, you know, you won't be able to go to the link. The link you'll have in the actual email. But once you've got it all sorted, you've created an account, it'll all be yours, and you'll get to that way. Okay, so I'll make them in a different video, how to create sales pages and how to create opt-in forms and download pages and thank you pages. I think I've covered everything here. This video has gone way over 20 minutes. That was not the intention. I think it's gone over half an hour now. Anyway, I can't remember. My clock's disappeared, but excuse me, losing my voice. Anyway, I think I've covered everything here. If there's anything else that needs to be covered, let me know, and I'll try and make another video for you. And if I can remember anything, I'll quickly create another video for you. That's how simple and easy you create a course on System.io. That's me, Isfan Rashid, and I'll speak to you next time.